Before it was the Museum Center, this building, the Union Terminal, was a functioning train station. It was completed in 1933, and during its busiest times, it would serve over 17,000 passengers and more than 200 trains on a daily basis. Today, it's home to a variety of museums like the Museum of Natural History, a children's museum, the Cincinnati Historic Society, an Omnimax theater, various changing art exhibits, and from November through early January, it's home to the Holiday Junction train display. The Cincinnati Gas and Electric Company first partnered with the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad in 1946 to present a holiday train display in downtown Cincinnati. It's been a tradition here now for 75 years. I recorded this video footage in mid-November on a Monday when they first opened. This place will be packed by December, especially on the weekends. You actually need to schedule your visit to a time slot available online or in person when you buy your tickets. While these trains are an O scale, they don't fit easily into either two-rail or Lionel tubular track categories. But they are powered by a third rail that runs along the outside of the scale two-rail track. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, And until next time, happy holidays to you and yours from me at Bob's Workshop.